detached le tharing as a middle bulk la saja dilale Virginia nga zu nang ne kama ship shanga skilanga resha saja penying jo che and sagang yi penying jo che and room din penying jo che ra and yegi de ngendu rob chik so wan changmal to rewa degi mix se keje de diresha thanda corporate gi event mangbu sugi ani dan nangmi chunju din de party din de mangbu sugido and gablo view din the penying jo de ta da shu ju yor sungido ani ngozo gi thand sagang gi yon la ra winery pe mangbu peje thugre duindo ani winery la visit chiai la sen lenge la nyandu rob chi so go changmal tobu era la se thojena salamander ge entrance de resha de fall kitchen decoration some fall ge do de see the pumpkin da in the shada the Forbes ki travel guide to the one of the finest 5-star properties in the world to the see the bullet dog rangansa the entrance the chera and the lobby the pay bright door ani phajong lobby the pay dark do Harry Potter do rish phajong adi ta dene bula phegi nangal hange the sida the sondu sungi pe mang the meeting the so laptop ki da phagi sondu chi chu desha and the sondu chi che the pe dark chera nga phajong ar mang the bright side gang mang chelara de chala chunge yore de ani souvenir do chera yan de chala de pe khong chenpo che soje de ning jo do de de she genja de chera wa de re de len 2024 re da de dana da shuj ra re lagur ani 제가 가리 제제제 시작한서 남산남서로 가시기도 the conference room pe mangudo the sida de sama conference room resha already jodo once room tour chik chigo mara the sida ta bathroom pe ning jodo ta de bachisa chera ani the bathroom pe ning jodo chidang gyaga den 5-star sang pening joyo wa arila den 5-star sang le digas ning joyo mare ta resort den pening joyo re ta de shower chikche and the sanjo chera ani the bathrobe itajido the ani dine de lenge sirona ta room chik tur chora the kangla still water the mineral water the khali chojo do ani the numbers the chobaina the salamander middleburg resort here that the khari choya na digi khongi de chera ngazo credit card te share khonjog dile charge gre and the coffee the den so khazu chojo re the coffee di peshete gomare sangma nyamdo ra nespresso re da and the what the safe cheng onjo gchira the chu saw so sa ning jo to ani the sida the shago chigido ani the resort la welcome conchoglan tiere the tingi room number ra ani the bedroom din paying jo chera king size che the ari ge president nyama mangu yungyo sare ani the bedroom che ani the temuta da gablo de walk to sada nzpe yagodo ani de lengesia de ani ngegi shende peja kyedo da shende kyara gi yemme ha khomaso shende peja kya kyedo lenge de ani ngegi balcony fall ra degi paying jo thongi chilol de sida ani the room kablol changmal sus balcony yore ninjoda de view sirena kashima kinyeso yashusha ani the Europe den de mangchala thanda di building la loma den de wa de den de do the sirena Ari sakang din so digas ning joyo mare resort din so pe ning joyo re ari la. Ani de and dine tha spa re sha khunzu ki spa ning joyo de sida dine tha spa che ta ngonzo shela gi menu di che de ta table dine set chi sha table ning che chuke set chi du khunzu ki de sida ani decoration de Mixer chibredo da. The laser ki
Oh, you called?
kachire
Leslie called it?
cluster che.
Leslie called it? She's like,
Ta the soup resha, the soup the try sha indo. Then the soup tung de vegetarian soup
sometimes I get
special
it like really.
Nyegi shela. Thank you. Dessert the chindo house da dessert. Ta ngonzo lobby la tis ngeso yani de lobby pe nging jo chera de sida decoration nze pe nging jo do da sagang gi ngema jinda di churchill gi nama resha de ngonzo ari gi president di de sida ta ngeso yani de do tisanga Harry Benson and photographer get us how you re digi thanda pardon some the launch in yagir sagang exhibition do chi do the ari gi the presidency the Gerald Ford 1973 the hayang to the president in the Hudson Summer so the do ta tinje re lenge the fountain the Mrs. Clinton the room the paying in jodo the White House la che the 1994 la ani ta dinjere do de sang chikthage chikdo ta mo shoge morning walk do de ta da din de pe mangbo do de sa che pe ning jo chera and the ban ta mage ban yor la snam ning chal ni ro wa din de konzo walk do ni thogi omare khala sa to la dis ta page pony yore la so pony ta to gra stable sangal oh see this is the cupcake resha ta the miniature horse reda the pe kera so to de ta the miniature horse re ta de pogun zo mangpo ti ta ga yung do the cupcake 보고도 cupcake lan ta kape mango de ta di garden door shara de sive sida lenge de sive mango ke sha sive mango ke to da 통계 민도 de gardening jo jikdo meto damen da는데 Dining jodo. See that? Wow, it's beautiful. The deep metal painting jodo. The fall redo. The sarang dire. The on the room is a dibula yore. The fall dinging jala. Sirena. The Mimang Puchik part get the sha. And such a pain in George middle back ray. The Namchi Tangmotang, which a capital Loma in the color in gel. See that? Let's see when I get. Let's pay I would do. Not the biscuit to go here, biscuit is a window, and the toast chair. Toast to go and the hunting the muddy the ones who do the shop once one the see the breakfast 커피니 그게 좋아. The two shibay and wine cow the mountain shijubido conjugate wine constitution tour nyamdo constitution and susu nyadura and on the bottle caches new shaye the sirona barrel bula the red wine the barrel bula shagire sungi let's say see the oh my god wine sosa ninjala sangma stainless steel chera pe sangma chera the was tour do in the winery la 네, 시다 상마 와인 레샤 네. 다 와인 테스팅 지기 아니 먼저 둘러 돼니.
A little tour of the inside of the winery, actually. Thanks for coming out to Boxwood. My name is Mark, and I have worked here a long time. I've been here since 2013. Boxwood opened to the public in June of 2012, and this winery is owned by John Kent Cook. John, most people know the Cook name from the Washington Redskins. He used to own that. Right now, John is really focused on making Bordeaux-style wine, but of course with Virginia expression. John hired some really great people to make this happen. Lucy Morton, the viticulturist, helped dig around the property and figure out what to plant. Where to plant and everything and what soil type we have, and she helped us, and they planted French clones in 2004. Everything is grown here and we use everything from this property. We produce between 4,000 and 6,000 cases of wine annually, so we're more of a boutique winery. We're a little smaller, but everything is done from within. We do everything from hand picking our grapes. We start usually picking our grapes in late August, which is the white grapes usually ripen first, and then we finish in early October usually.
So this is called shea.
But yeah, you guys can come all the way through here.
That's it.
We use stainless steel tank. For our reds, we use French oak.
The white, the rosé, and the steel peugeot angirellas. Shamba the red wine is a oak peugeot angirellas. The ferment challenge, shagur the nya do rangs. The chance of you are in the door. Temperature check chira the chigre crowns of grape sangma the chigdo the lakpa rangi big chigdo cousin tola dugrela ne chimbudo.
This is where all the red wine production
red wine production de chigre.
The cave is temperature controlled, so it's also underground.
Barrel zero na tange dila red wine dibula shala chosa do ani konzola dibula chona ani yangui logata godo red wine the French oak peugeot tangiore sum shindira barrel soala
Unless, it's not as strong, so it doesn't take over the wine. Gotcha.
ta shuma tour pebaina the box would say middle bog la ngonzo Virginia and kam ship shanga langa che ko de da
Here, this has been here since the beginning, so it's an older machine. We only use it to bottle our wines a couple times a year. In the spring, in like April, we will bottle our whites and our rosé, and then in June-ish, this machine starts going. It can bottle somewhere between 900 on average an hour, 900 bottles. There's a lot of stoppages. It can do, I'm told, 1,500 if everything goes right. You don't have to stop it, but that never happens. There's always something, a label's off or something, or they have to stop and fix it, or a part or something. But we're lucky to have this, and we're lucky our winemaker, which his name's Stephen Rigby, and the vineyard manager is Joyce Rigby. They're a great team. They have over 50, almost 60 years wine experience, so they know how to use these machines, whereas a lot of the new winemakers probably have no idea how to run one of these. So just assembly there, it'll come in here, and they will sanitize the bottle and then they
Sanitize
sparge the
some
bottle. Sparging is we give it a blast of nitrous gas in it and it removes all the oxygen and then it's filled with wine quickly and sealed with a cork.
So they desha desida 다 vineyard dichira 다 grapes chemindu 다 gungaran chawa tangchira digi pe sogi yore sungi desha denge Jala Aldo Desida